Well, hello, it's Anne. About 1 month ago I made the sparkle ombre nails. By the way, you can see this video on my channel. I really like these sparkles nails. Even I want to do sparkles nails again. But this time I wouldn't apply sparkles polish gel. This time I would do loose glitter on my nails. At first, actually I'm removing previous nails. I'm removing gel polish with MANICURE machine. I use carbide bead with a red mark. Speed of removing is about 20,000 RPM. Don't forget that you should change your hand position to prepare a whole nail. You should move bead in a parallel to the nail. Next step is the manicure. Today I wanted to do Russian manicure with a manicure machine. At first I pushing up the cuticle on the right side with a diamond bead with a red mark. Move of machine is forward. Speed of machine is about 15,000 RPM. Don't touch the nail with the bead, you can hurt it. Then pushing up the cuticle on left side on reverse move. After pushing up, I need to cut the cuticle with the scissors. Slice of cuticle should be flat without sharp moments. Degrease nails with degreasing fluid. You can use another alcohol-containing fluid. Apply base gel on all nails. The nails should be flat on all sides. Apply thin layer of base gel. I would fix glitter on this base coat. apply non-clearance top. Buy and subscribe on my channel, I have a lot of interesting videos for you.